a different phone me have. Plant me a plant here now. Serve. Alright guys, so buy some charcoal, you know. Yeah. So this is 300 Jamaican dollars. Although overseas I know Jamaican money look. I don't know Jamaican 100 bill look. Yes. It's like I think a 250 feet coal. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to don't know how to carry bag put the coal, you know. Yeah. 300 Jamaican dollar about almost $2. Yeah, about $2 US. Yeah, I'm put the exact amount on the screen. A long time I don't see it too. Come when Sunday I'm couldn't hear from it. Oh. Oh, okay. More than 250 coal. Coal more than 250.
Church, after that church, we got funeral.
Alright, thanks. Alright. Yeah man, you had these like qualities, you know? Yeah man, and see change here, I say 250 coal. So it's a Jamaican $50. Yeah. It's a couple cents in the US. Because I think $1 US about 104 Jamaican dollar. Yeah. Welcome again guys. But they back on it with the yard is. Basically, only so I want to because I don't know what I'm all about already. I don't know what to expect. But most guys, thanks to all who have support the channel. The last that I did, which is the first video for the year, was good. And really love the support I get from that video. And all who leave a comment and leave a like, I appreciate it. And all who subscribe also, I appreciate the support. You see me? And if you're not follow my channel for the first time, just subscribe and stay tuned for more than kind of video here. Because enough forward to just subscribe and stay tuned. Oh, and also share the video. When you can share the video and get other people to know our channel and join the movement. You see me? Yes sir. I'm gonna drop my video now. I'm gonna say Gwaan. Yeah. The sounds up river, so wonderful. Nature are the best. You can hear sound on the river and you can hear the birds a chirp. Very nice, very relaxing, and the cool breeze. You can see the tree move right now. Breeze a blow. Breeze cool and nice, river nice, and the bird very nice. Nature are the best. And guys, watch the ads because that's how I make a revenue. Yeah, sometimes ads them a bit long, but watch as much as possible. You see me? Yeah man, cause that's how I make a revenue. Alright guys, so video time now. We have a pumpkin, piece of yam, Irish, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion and thyme, and some of the garlic. See I soup it up. A fish flavored soup mix, the seafood mix, and some shrimp, right? The plan was crayfish, but I'll be a story me here, man. For me, I the crayfish, so I'm just buy the next best thing. Some shrimp. And see the fire, a catch. So time now we peel up the pumpkin and put it on the fire. Get the pumpkin then peel up and sort out and all, you know. Peel up pumpkin and the pumpkin look nice. Don't buy enough pumpkin for a thing rich and nice. And the soup thick and rich. So buy enough pumpkin. Get the pumpkin wash off and cut up and all, you know. So we make a table with banana leaf and all that. Really Jamaican style outdoor. So guys, what do pumpkin shrimp seafood mix soup. You know. Alright. Cut up timer now. See fire here. Well ready. So I put on the pumpkin and all. See there? Outdoor style. So pumpkin go and cook. And the pumpkin cook. Now put in the yam, the Irish, and then now put in the seafood mix and the shrimp after with this scallion, thyme, garlic, everything, and the roasted noodle and the fish soup mix. Alright guys, so that's the calabash plate, you know, as we continue. So I'll go and pick up the yam and the Irish in the meantime. The pumpkin I go and cook, cause late evening now. Oh no, night catch, so what do you think you can fast? Come like you want more pumpkin, more yam doing, you know. Yam look a little bit. If you pour it on it, come like even good. Look there. Come like quarter pound of yam, we just half pound. That's why peeps when you buy yam, careful like observe and put yam good, cause you know, but they carry it over and peel it. You realize say it's not good. Alright, time I know. Yeah man guys, so scallion and thyme, see the onion with garlic, carrot cut up, Irish cut up, yam cut up, yam and so soon showing him now. So I'm showing them here and the dumpling, them here, the seafood mix and the shrimp, everything one time. Yeah man. So that is it. You think turn a night cooking, you know, peace, but I just say go, you know. Yeah man, I'm adding the ingredients on now. See pot look pretty already. So adding pepper when I burst it because flavor we want. Scale and thyme. Garlic. And Irish and we carrot everything cut up in this. So we shrimp them now. Clean already, get cut off and thing. Cause them shrimp will not come clean. So you have a seafood mix now, guys. So you roast the noodle. Our seasoner now, you know. That's good. Stir it up, guys. When you start boil one thing, I taste it and add in the salt. I don't know say seasoning salt and roast the noodle. So yeah, the shrimp start changing color already. Alright, so need the flour now, put in some spinach tonight. Okay, we flour them correct, guys. Now calabash plate. It sounds like a spinach dumpling. So like that. Make it fast and easy.
There's a whole
Everything,
pepper there.
yeah. Everything that now, guys. So either 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes, everything cook. Yeah, shrimp. Thing tackle night cooking in about a say go. I'm gonna say pumpkin seafood mix or pumpkin shrimp seafood mix soup. Yeah. Say yummy, guys. I'm saying mince up his scallion to get out every flavor still, but say go next time. Yeah, man, guys. So see soup, eh? Say rich and nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. So man, lift off it now, you know, cause the thing done. I know. I don't know say the shrimp can't cook too long and the seafood mix can't cook too long because them things they soft quick and then cook. Yeah, man, I soap this. Yeah, man, peeps, I soap this. So I'm taking my fire now and consume. Guys, enough soap this, you know. Enough soap this. Enough. Tomorrow, I drink soap same way. Yeah, man, guys, so take a taste, you know. What a big body. At first, I actually use the seafood mix and make a soup, so I'm really anxious to taste what I go on. Yeah, man. Not bad. Not bad at all. We use seafood mix already. Now curry sauce, so the curry seafood mix. I put my salt nice still. The shrimp. Hot. One cool down a bit. I should buy curry, but my name is Peter instead one time ago. Shop buy the potato and all that. And potato, guys, you see potato, never good. Can buy that and that never good. But that's why I go still. So guys, I'm gonna like the video, share it out, subscribe if you're new, and I'm gonna say watch ads them. Yeah, man. So guys, my catch you know in the next video. So look more.